Today we're going to test this product. During a snowstorm, my windshield cracked, and I found this repair kit. I want to see if it really works, and hopefully this helps you too. Here's the damage, a typical rock chip, what's known as a bullseye. First, we clean the area really well. You can use any cleaner. I'm using alcohol, a towel, and a dry brush to remove dust. Next, using a pin, we slightly deepen the impact point. This helps the resin penetrate better. Now we place this orange base, making sure it's centered right over the damage. We screw in the applicator until it lines up perfectly with the impact point. Add a few drops of the resin, then immediately install the pressure tool. Tighten it down and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. In my case, I waited about an hour. After that, remove the suction cups and the base. Apply a bit more resin over the crack and place these plastic curing strips on top. Let it cure for another hour. Then remove the strips and use a razor blade to scrape off the excess. And here's the final result. To be honest, it doesn't disappear completely, but it improves a lot. Now it just looks like a small scratch, and you really have to look closely to notice it. Would I recommend it? Yes, definitely.